What one again opinionated peeps? Now I have another video for you today. And when I came across this video, now let me say this is not a recent video, but it's out there on social media and I came across it. Now when I saw it, one thing crossed my mind. This only solidifies my doubt in Obeah. Yeah, it solidifies my doubt and disbelief in this foolishness. Now, mind you, I always keep saying belief kills and belief cures, and to each his own. But me personally just not believe in other thing where them call Obeah, and a lot of people believe that it's out there. Especially this video right here, so me just not believe it even more. Because the bunch of nonsense this brother here did do in the video where call himself a Obeah man, I was like, then me, if you take up my good hard-earned money, bring go get him, for him perform them foolishness here for me. Watch the video here, I want to get an understanding as to why me I said these things.
Big up every time. Big up to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion of Judah shall break every chain. I'm going to break one chain now. Come now. Come on, video and I cook now. Yeah, I bury them that. I bury them, I spirit them. Me and them there night and day. Come on. Yeah, so me I go free up a man here now. Hold on. Two of them men bird. Yo, sir. Two it over there. Yeah, sure, problem. No, man, you're not safe here. Hold on your head, hold this. Put the light in your pocket. So, we are going to free up, the bridge in here. Because them are fight him hard and who God bless no man curse. Stand up for your day. We can read Psalm 91. Yeah. Read, man. Yes, and people. We are going to work a miracle now. Read it. Read the Psalms.
He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow.
Yeah, do it.
Shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust. Surely He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feathers, and under His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor the arrow that flieth by day.
Yes, people, big up. Every time. Read. When we are work, we don't work without the Bible.
Pestilence that walketh in the darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth not noonday. 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. Only with thine eyes shalt thou behold and see the reward of the wicked, because thou hast made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation. There shall no evil befall thee, neither shall thy plague come nigh thy dwelling, for he shall give his angels charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and adder, the young lion and the dragon shalt thou trample under feet. Because he hath set his love upon me, therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him, and shew him my salvation.
Yeah, we say set free in our life to everybody. We want everybody to live in a love and unity. We not deal with no war. We not deal with no grudge. We not deal with no hate. We not tie down nobody. We say free up your world. Free up! Free up your world. Let their bird. Let the camera, let their bird. Come.
Come on.
No, you. People don't see bird. People that see my corner. Every day, I feed my bird them. Every day. Real scientists have to feed them things every day. Feed them every day. See my music room, yeah. Yes, people, my number, all who are watch me, my number 844-91-55. I'm going to do our work you now. Pull it from me. See cock camera. If a woman have problem with her vagina, me use this and clear up it. Come in here, so come on, come in here. If a woman have problem with her vagina, me use this and sort out it. See vagina yeah. If a man have a problem, we can't sexy good. We use this and sort out in cock, making have a sex hard. Me say success to the world. I mean the world good. This isle here, it name Angel Isle. You see it good. To the world. Peace and love and unity in our world. I want family and family to unite. All who fight against one another, want to stop it. Stop fight against one another. Love, unity and peace. People, you can't trust me. Me a good somebody. I want to know say enough time people fight me and put me down and I rise up back. So do this for me I do and a boy. You have to have enough love in you to do this. You have to be beaten by the storm and battered by people to reach them levels of me there. Love and unity and strength.
Alright, so to get to me I say, right? How does that even make sense? Why do they so? What was that? And the brother now, where I hide him face under the cloth or towel or whatever that is, him hide him face. My youth, you really believe that somebody are trying to keep you down so much that you pick up yourself, gone to the brother that we call himself a Obeah man, for him spray sound sitting around you. And the worst part, you hear one time he whisper to the, you can't read. Like the camera wouldn't pick up that. Eh? Come on now, my youth. Do better. See it? And the thing about it is, we know say him not the only one. Him not the only one. A whole heap of other people out there take their money and I go to them. Can mania. We call themselves Obeah man. And them are, and you see, these people act on people's fear because they believe in this foolishness. So because somebody believes that this thing exists so much and them say, boy, somebody have something for me, you know, them go seek out Obeah man are science workers fi try and take whatever it is on them. And then look pan what the brother here use now. So and then a self-promotion, this you know, you realize him a promote him Obeah is him or whatever him a do right there, so you know. And then watch this now. Him a show him pigeon cove, him a show him back. Poor little pigeon there. Poor little bubble of them. Eh? In going a pigeon coop, go take out a pigeon now. Now watch this now. He make my boy hold the pigeon while him spray out whatever that is him a spray upon him and all of that, and then he spray some upon himself. Now my thing is, in the end, when him claim say him finished now, you know, my boy free now, you know, cause somebody that work upon my boy, right? Him tell himself he let go the pigeon. The young pigeon, we barely can fly. And the pigeon say, alright then, thank God you let me out of this foolishness here. I'm sure the pigeon they glad. But my thing is now, him grab the pigeon and put the pigeon right back in the cage. Now, question, I don't know nothing about these things, but wouldn't it be whatever he might take off of my boy? The reason for the pigeon was so that the pigeon take on whatever come off of my boy or come out of my boy. I would assume, I'm not sure. But then him take the pigeon and put it back in the cage. Then when somebody else come now for another healing or deliverance. A deliverance is right word the more I use. But anyway, I don't know what I talk about. When somebody else come now for another work done, who's to say him now go grab that same pigeon there again with whatever supposedly come from my boy when him take out or cleanse off of my boy and go give the next man if he put back it. I want a confusion. But all this boils down to is it's a bunch of nonsense. This is the first time I'm actually seeing somebody who said them a work Obeah at work, you know. Now I don't know how the other professional Obeah man or Obeah woman do them thing. But in my opinion, this brother here right here so is nothing but a sham, a consta, and don't know nothing pertaining to what I must say him can do. Now he must show the body kangle and the pum kangle and all of them thing there. And I've heard about them. Don't know how real they are, don't know whether them work or not. But then again, I'm going to leave it up to Uno. No, tell me in the comment section, how much Uno you ever actually go on Obeah man, and does it actually work for Uno? Remember as I said, belief kills and belief cures. This is just my opinion, and don't kill me for it. I want to hear from Uno in the comment section because your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.